Hello everyone, today in this session we are going to explore more about functions. So we will see what are the existing functions that are available in any platform. So to begin with, we will start with Artist Lab. We will explore what are the existing functions available in Artist Lab. So let's get started. So when you open a new project in Artist Lab, go to Functions tab. So here you see there are many functions, those are already available, like draw a circle, draw a house, draw a pinwheel, draw a shape, draw a square, draw a star, and draw a triangle. These are the functions that are already given to you. So let's explore one of the function. Let us explore draw a triangle. So when you click on edit, what do you see? You see that the name of the function is draw a triangle. It has got one parameter, one input parameter. So what is the input parameter? That you will have to pass to the function to complete its functioning. Okay, so if you want to use draw a triangle, you will have to let this function know. Okay, I will draw a triangle, but let me know what should be the length of this triangle. So that is something the user or the coder who will be calling this function will tell this particular function. So length. Length becomes input parameter here, and the code is pretty simple. All of you are very much aware of it. Repeat 3 times, move forward, length pixels. So here, instead of saying any fixed number like this, like, 100 pixels or 50 pixels, no, it doesn't make this function dynamic. So we don't want to use this. That is why they use length pixels. When what is this length? Length is one of the input parameter. Turn left by 120 degrees. So this is the code of this function. Let's close it and use it. So go to functions and I will start using this function. So the function is draw a triangle. At a particular given point, I am calling this function. The coder is calling this function. And now it will have to pass the parameter length. I can mention 100 or whatever I want to. So one time I call this function with the length 100. Next time I may call it with length 50. Another time I may call it with length, say for example, 200. So this is the pattern we got. We can do one more thing. We can make the artist jump to a different location before actually calling this function. Okay, I can again jump it to some other location. Okay, so now you can see the 3 triangles are created at different positions. All 3 of them have got different lengths. So do the same exercise, hands on yourself, so that you understand what is a function, how do we use it, what are the input parameters. So in this, we are using just one input parameter, that is length. Let's explore some of the functions that have more than one input parameter. So probably we can explore this draw a shape. So what does this draw a shape do? It is asking you number of sides and the length. So it means you pass it any number of sides. If you want to create a square, you pass number of side 4 and you also pass length. Okay. So it means you are passing the information to this function draw a shape. I want to draw a shape with 4 sides and length 200. So it will create, or maybe 150. So it will create a shape with 4 equal sides of 150 pixels each. If I pass 5, it will create a pentagon for me. If I pass 6, it will create a hexagon for me. You can keep on reusing this function anytime you want. Okay, now let's explore. Click on edit and explore the code of this function. So what is written here? This code is also pretty simple. We have done this. We have already done this. We know the magic number 360 and they are pretty much using the same concept of our magic number 360. So if the number of sides are 4, this artist needs to take a 90 degrees turn. If the number of sides are 6, the artist needs to take a 60-degree turn. Why 60 degree? Because 360 divided by 60 becomes 60. Okay. So that is what they have used. Instead of saying turn right by any fixed degrees, the code says turn left by 360 divided by sides, so that the artist will turn only that much degrees and it will create a beautiful shape of these many sides. Okay, so that was about a function to which we are passing two input parameter. Let's explore one more function that will actually pass even more than two. So we will see draw pinwheel. So what does this draw pinwheel do? What does this draw pinwheel do? It is actually asking me sides, length and repeat. Sides, length and repeat. What does it do actually? Let's try to give some values to this and we will see what does it do. So sides, let me say 3 sides. Length, we can say 100 pixels. And repeat, let me say 2 times. So let's see first what does it do. 2 times. Okay. So what does it do actually? So it is actually creating a pinwheel. If I pass 4, you will understand better. It is actually creating a pinwheel with the given sides and of length, and it repeats given number of times. So what it is actually doing, it is taking the side and length and creates the shape. So as you can see here, it has created a rectangle of 100 pixels. Then because we say repeat 2 times, the artist is taking a little turn. And second time it creates another similar rectangle shape. So if we make it repeat 3 times, you will see, third time the artist has created this same shape. 4 times it created it 4 times, 5 is 5 and 6 is 6. After 6, it will basically overlap. So let's investigate this code as well. I click on added and I will try to investigate this code. Okay. So if you see this inside code is exactly same as we write to create any shape of given sides and given length. Okay, this inner repeat loop is same because what it is doing, it is creating a shape. Then my artist is taking a 60 degrees turn here and it repeats repeat times. Okay, so thus it creates a pinwheel. So I can try to change it to maybe 30 degrees and we will see what happens. Okay, so you can see now the artist is taking a 30 degrees turn. And if I repeat it 12 times, it will create a complete circle. Why? Again, because 12 multiplied by 30 gives me 360. So it will take 12 repetitions to complete a 360 degrees turn. So these were some of the functions available in Artist Lab. I hope you had a lot of fun exploring these functions and a lot of new learning as well. Next session, we are going to create our own functions, so stay tuned. Bye-bye.